What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we're looking at a case from Ringke, the Onyx, for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Came in this nice little bag. Before we get into the video, if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Videos will be rolling out. Also, if you enjoyed the video and you don't mind, hit that like button. All right, link to this case will be in the description. I believe it is $10.99 on Amazon. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. I'll give you the pros and cons of this case. But if you can see the inside, military drop tested, military grade protection, Ringke original design, Ringke Onyx ultimate experience. All right, I'll be the judge of that. Ringke, let's get into it. I've been using this case for like 2 days, so I can give you the skinny on this case. Before I put it on, I just want to show you when we get to the buttons what it looks like on the inside. It's a little hard to see, focus issues, but if you can see these buttons, these are separate buttons built into the case, and I'll let you know what this does. Even this button over here, I'll let you know what this does to the volume rocker and the power button and how it relates to your experience. All right, let's turn off the screen, get it snapped all the way in there, and take a quick tour around the case. Taking a quick tour, you got cutouts for the speaker grills and a charging port. Nothing to speak of there, just standard fare for both of those. Along the sides is where it gets interesting for me. Cutout for the lanyard, but these buttons are probably the best volume rocker buttons on a case I've ever experienced. One, okay, so you have this grippy part on the side, a little pattern that gives you some grip. Then the buttons are metal and they're built into the case, so it's like having just the buttons on your iPhone. That is how good these buttons are. I don't want to understate it. The best volume rocker on a case I've ever experienced. Then you got the cutout for lock switch. Top is clean. Same button scenario over here. A button built into the case, and it just creates a really good experience. Pressing that button on the case. You got some Ringke branding here. If you can see, it says Ringke Onyx. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. All right. Well, you guys got to believe me, it's there. Ringke Onyx branding is very subtle. Nothing outlandish. Then along the back, you have a design. You have these little things that stick out. I thought it was kind of to keep the case from rocking, but that's not the case. No pun intended. It still rocks. So it's just like a little design. The back material is just outstanding, man. It's just this matte material. Feels great in the hand. It provides so much grip. It's probably the grippiest case I've ever used, along with the sides. Definitely one of the benefits of the case is the actual material. Let's take a look at the little camera bump. Definitely comes above by quite a bit, actually. And it's like a different little pattern, different material camera bump. If you can see, it's shiny, and it has a little Ringke branding right here. Protects your camera. Definitely comes above the camera bump. Let's take a look at the protection it offers along the front of the phone. You have a lip all the way around. The top, bottom, sides, you have protection. There is no problem putting this phone face down. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons. Let's just get the cons out the way. And it's not even a con. I really don't have anything bad to say about this, other than I was using the Air-S from Ringke. And the Air-S is a little lighter and thinner, and it maintains the form factor of the phone quite a bit better than this case. But for a lot of people, that's not an issue. They don't care about the form factor. They just need that protection. So Ringke makes a lighter case that is recommended. I'll put a card for my review in that top right corner. The pros, everything. This phone surprisingly offers way more protection than I thought it was going to give me. And it doesn't feel too bulky. You know, I was using this case, and I kept saying, is this case like bendable? Which it is, which is hard to believe, but it's still a bendy style case. But you put it on, this case feels so solid, so much protection. These buttons are amazing. This material is amazing. I've used a lot of phone cases. This is in the top. This might be my favorite phone case. This I don't know. It does, you know what? It does work with MagSafe, but you know what? I'm realizing that these cases that don't have the MagSafe built in, the magnet's not crazy strong, so it'll stick, but any little movement and it'll fall off. But I've still been charging my phone overnight with the MagSafe, and it does work 100%. All right, this case is only $10, man. I mean, this is, talk about bang for your buck. I think it's $10.99 on Amazon. Link is in the description. Great case. What are you guys using on your iPhone? Get active in the comments. The Ringke Onyx, probably top 3 cases ever used. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.